Hello and welcome to Spreadsheets. You're going to have to bear with me, I've got a bit of a sore throat because I'm going to sound a bit funny. So we're going to be looking at this wedding spreadsheet and you're going to be completing it. I'm going to give you a little bit of help during this video, but I will want you to continue and to complete. So first of all I need to extend this column, so I wait for the line to come up and then I drag it across. And the blue boxes are for formula, orange is for functions. But before I do that, I'm just going to put this all into borders. So click on the arrow, all borders, I like this, all borders like that. That's good. And I'm also going to highlight all of these and set them to currency so I don't have to do it each time. So I've just highlighted them, gone up here, and then currency. So first of all, I'm just going to do the first two, then leave you for the rest. So bridesmaids' dresses are £100 each. So I'll go equals the bridesmaids times, which is the star, which you can find above the 8. Oh, and I type in 100. Can't click there because it has text in it. And press enter. Now what that does is if I decide I want 6, it can go down 2. I've actually got 3. So I go like that. Now the wedding breakfast, press equals the amount of guests times by the cost. So that way you get an idea of how much the wedding breakfast actually costs per person. And you can change it to how many people are going. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to do the drinks, which is 25, which will need to be times by the guests. The canapes, again the guests. The guest gifts, again you times it by the guests. Bridesmaids, just be bridesmaids. Groomsmen, just groomsmen. So I'm going to leave you to do that. To do a function, remember that a function does a particular job in a spreadsheet. You go equals right in the function, so this is sum, which is the total one that adds it all up, and then select the range and press enter. And that will do that. So I'm going to show you with average, equals average, make sure you spell it right, average, open bracket, highlight them all, highlight that range, end bracket, press enter. Equals min, so we want to find the smallest value, open bracket, highlight them all, end bracket, go, and max equals max, open bracket, highlight them all, end the bracket, and press enter. Now your values will be different because you would have finished all of this. So once you've done all of that, then we're going to add an image from the internet of Quendon Hall. So insert, online pictures, Quendon Hall. You can add your own venue if you want, you don't have to add mine, and then click on it and insert. And that will add a picture to your spreadsheet. Okay, and we're also going to insert again, online pictures, and I'm just going to put wedding flowers and insert. Remember I ticked and then insert, make it smaller that way and put it in. So you need to add your own pictures. You can also play around with some of the formatting tools available here to make it look a bit more groovy. Then the last bit is a conditional formatting. Now this is the extension, so if you don't get on this, don't worry. Conditional formatting, highlight rules, greater than, but I've done something wrong. What I've done is I haven't selected the range I want it to apply to. So I'm just going to select these. I don't want the total. I'm just going to select those. Conditional format, highlight rules, greater than, so more than 1,000, and I want it to highlight in red text. And click OK. So now all of them go. So if I put 10 here, well, it's got to be over. So if I put 11 there, that will go red. It's really useful because it highlights different parts. If you manage to finish all of that, then you can create your own list, birthday party list here. Okay, off we go.